Hello viewers, Flipkart has already teased the banner of the Big Billion Days sale of 2025. Already I can see that iPad 10th generation and iPad 11th generation will be on offer in this sale. Moreover, if you are a Samsung lover, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Though they haven't revealed the pricing of these two devices, but I think you will get great discounts on the day of the start of sale of Big Billion Days sale. Plus, if you have credit card, in that case you will get instant 12% discount with bank offers, extra 5% off with super coins, and also you will get early access if you are a Plus or VIP members. Apart from iPad 11th generation and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, you will get great discounts on OnePlus Pad Lite tablet. At present, with offers, you can buy OnePlus Pad Lite at a price point of 13,000 rupees, but I think during Big Billion Days sale the price will come down and you can get this device at around 10,000 rupees. Similarly, there will be offers on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 tablet. The best price for this tablet will be around 36 to 38,000 rupees. Similarly, you will get great discounts on S10 FE series. S10 FE and S10 FE Plus will be on offer during Big Billion Days sale. The best price for Tab S10 FE is around 28,000 rupees, and if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be around 36 to 38,000 rupees. After that, there will be discounts on iPad Air M1, M2 and M3. But if you have to choose between these three devices, I would request you or recommend you to buy iPad Air M3 for better processing and smooth performance. Next, if you want to buy OnePlus Pad 256GB, in that case the best price would be 20,000 rupees. And don't buy OnePlus Pad above 20,000 price bracket. Next, you will get great discounts on Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi and 5G variant. If you want to buy the Wi-Fi variant, in that case the best price would be 15,000 rupees. And for the 5G variant, the 128GB variant will be priced under 20,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the price would be 22,000 rupees. Next, there will be great discounts on Xiaomi Pad 7. Many people actually want to buy this tablet. The best price for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant would be around 20,000 rupees or below 20,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 22 to 23,000 rupees maximum. And if you want to buy the nano coating display of Xiaomi Pad 7, in that case the best price would be 25,000 to 26,000 rupees. Next, if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case for the 128GB variant the best price would be 28,000 rupees. And for the 256GB variant the best price would be 32 to 33,000 rupees maximum with the Stylo 2.0 in the box. Many people actually want to know the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. I think the best price for this tablet in 2025 is around 18,000 or less. If you don't get this pricing, I would recommend you not to buy this tablet. And if you are planning to buy the 5G variant of Tab S9 FE, in that case the best price would be 22,000 rupees. Again, if you are planning to buy Motorola Pad 60 Pro, in that case there will be great offer on this tablet. For the 128GB you can pay the price of 20,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 22 to 23,000 rupees. So these are the pricing that you may get in Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. I haven't covered the tablets that will be exclusively available on Amazon.in. If you are interested to know the price of tablets during Great Indian Sale, you can ask me in the comment sections below. The only condition is that you have to like the video and then ask your question. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.